Hi guys, we have an unboxing for you this afternoon. So I kind of got suckered into this website called Yume Twins, and if you're a Hello Sanrio or Sanrio fan, these are little boxes that you can get from the website that I'll put down below that are actually like mystery boxes. So there's all sorts of things that they pop inside, and it's like a once a month thing. So I thought it would be really cute, and it came today. So Anna really wants to open it. She's curious about what's inside. I'll show you guys first, and then we will. Okay, so first thing we have is a Yume Twins brunch date. I think this is just like a pamphlet. So there's this one. And then I don't know any of these characters, so this is going to be a little bit of an education for me. So here we go. We've got some cute chopsticks here. You can hold it. And then a little key ring. I don't know who this character is. Oh, Rico. Well, that's the next thing. So there's a little key ring there. That's cute. And then this is a coaster, it looks like. So Rika, what's this? Ralka Huma. If anybody who is fans of these characters, let me know, because I don't know. I don't know who they are. But I thought it would be a really cute thing to kind of like, you know, fun to get. And then you've got this. This looks like if you do scrapbooking. So it's Sanrio. So it's like the egg dude. I don't know what his name is. I'm really bad. I need to research all this stuff. And then this is a, what is this? Oh, I guess it's like a bandana. It's like a bandana.
I want to wear it.
You want to wear it? What's that?
I want to wear it.
You want to wear it?
How about around your neck?
Oh, you could do that too, or you could do it, yeah, or around your neck.
No,
With a scarf.
I don't want to do it. I want to do it on my head.
On your head? I'd have to tie it up for you later, but that's really cute. Okay, and then what is in here? So, I guess is the character that was the main one in this box. And what's in here? I don't know.
Can I open it?
Oh, this is cute. So these are little containers.
There's another one. What's this?
I don't know, that looks like a washcloth. So you got little containers that you can put your lunch or your snacks in. That's really cute, isn't it, Anna?
Yeah, I can use it for my lunchbox.
For your lunchbox. And that's it. That's all that was in our box. So yeah, so check this out. It's actually kind of cute. I think it was, yeah, so these are $35 a month, and they're actually, I don't know, it's kind of a fun thing to do. So yeah, so let me know what all these characters are, because I mean, this little guy, I don't know who that is, but Anna likes it.
Squishy.
It's not a squishy. It's a
Squishy.
plush thing. It's a plush key ring. I think it's cute.
Look at the wing.
Alright, so we'll see what happens, see what we get next month. Alright guys, just say bye.
Bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. Look at the wing.
Alright, so we'll see what happens, see what we get next month. Alright guys, just say bye.